Tap it. Should go green. There it is. So now the noise cancellation is on. You don't hear it. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send to me and did compensate me to make a review on this product. It is from BOYA. It is the awesome microphone, wireless microphone. This is one device with 4 forms, okay? It has AI noise cancellation. Fantastic. I mean, this is a nice little package. I was playing with it and has all this included in the package. So it comes in the box just like you see here. It does come with some information and some instructions, which is pretty easy, pretty simple. Everything was packed really nicely. Now, I want to show you each of these little items that all came in this nice little carrying bag as well. So this is a nice carrying bag that you can put all your items in and take with you either on the job, if you have a shoot, whatever you're doing. This is really nice to have. So nice little package. I like that. So when I first received it, I was very impressed with the quality. It's metal. It's plastic. It feels nice. It feels like, you know, something substantial. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels really good quality. It has multiple ways of connecting to your devices. You can use USB-C. You can hook this up to your camera right here. This device here, you can hook up to your DSLR, or if you have a GoPro, things like that. That's what this is for. So it has a lot of different options available. It does have the windscreen. It has a dead cat. This is a dead cat screen. This is more for like really windy conditions. That's what this is for, like a little furry thing. That's what this is for. And that's for the microphone. So the way to use this microphone is a couple different ways. You can use it like an interview or a man on the street kind of microphone. Pop on your windscreen. This is another one. This is a foam windscreen. This is a little different windscreen. And you can do some interviews, handheld interviews, things like that, which is really cool. Then you can pop this off and go into wireless microphones. So say you want to do interviews with two people and you want to hook up two people together and you hook up 2 wireless microphones. You pop this open here and you got 2 microphones right inside here as well. That's fantastic. I think that's actually pretty smart. I like that quite a bit. Also, it has 2 dead cats for the wireless microphones. So that's really nice. So if you have a little windy day, you pop these on and this helps with the sound, helps with the noise. That's really good as well. Also comes with the cable to connect to your DSLR or connect to your GoPro. That's what this is for. And also comes with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable as well in the kit, and also a USB-A to USB-C charging cable as well. So you get all kinds of different options and variations all within one package. I like that. Now, how you hook it up to your device is that it pops off on the bottom here. And this pops onto, and this will pop into USB-C. This will hook up to your phone, hook up to your device. I'm actually going to plug this in a few seconds into my, I'm using Rodecaster, and I'm actually going to go directly into OBS and record this directly into OBS. And you're going to hear this microphone. Right now I'm on my Shure SM7B, as you can hear. That's what this is. And then in a few minutes I'm going to actually record on this just by itself, and you're going to hear the difference. This is going to be, I think it's going to be cool. I think it's going to be good. It has noise cancellation, which is really important as well. So you get all this within one package. You get a lot of versatility, and also you get a lot of flexibility. So if you want a shotgun microphone, you can pop this on your camera. Now you have a little shotgun microphone as well. Again, this is the other windscreen here, which is super important. If it's literally windy out, you can pop this on. That's really important as well. It has a lot of features that you can actually utilize in your production when you need something just like this. Again, really good quality. It's metal, it's heavy, it's chargeable. You can see down here is where the charging port is. You can get a better shot of that. So you plug in the USB-C right here, and this is how it charges everything up, charges these wireless little dongles or wireless microphones right here. Now, each one of these are independent, and you can do 2. Okay, let me pop these out here. Let me show you. So you have 2 here. And these are heavy. I mean, these are nice quality. And to take a look here, turn them on, just press the button here. To pair them is really simple. We can go over that a little bit. 2 ways of accessing it. You can clip it on. Here's a clip right here. You can clip on your shirt. You can clip on your jacket or your hat. And also, it does come with a little magnet. So everything's all very well thought out. You got the magnet, you got the clip. It's small, it's compact. It's got noise cancellation. It's got so many things here in a small package. It's just amazing to me that all this is so just awesome available. All right, so that's just a quick rundown about that. Let me just pop this into my OBS, and I want you to hear the difference in the quality, and then we'll hear it with the noise cancellation and hear it without it, and then we'll just compare. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to consider to like, share, and subscribe this video, and follow me along for more videos just like this, so you can be educated, learn about something like this for yourself in the future. Definitely think it's, I'm going to keep this one. I think it's really nice. I think it's good quality. And let's pop it in and see how it sounds. Show you how to pair your device in case it gets unpaired or whatever you need to do. So what you want to do is take it out here. Let's say I want to pair it to my phone. Put my phone in here, turn your phone on, get it ready, get the camera up here, and make sure it's on video. It doesn't really matter. So I have the camera on, and here it's blinking. So you can see it blinking there. Okay, so it has to be solid. So it has to be paired. So how do you pair it? So let me show you how to pair it. We turn this on. All right. Now, what you want to do is hold this little button down. There's a button down here. Hold that button down, and you'll see it start blinking fast. Watch it blinking fast. 1 second, blinking fast. You can see that. Now what you want to do, and take this out and take out the top microphone. Okay, top microphone. And you want to do is shut it off real quick. Okay. Off, and then now you want to do is put it back on, and it'll start blinking fast. Watch. And as soon as that's blinking fast, boom, it already connected just like that. Hey guys, just want to make a quick stop and say thank you so much for watching the channel. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget that super thanks. That super thanks is right below there. You can see that. It helps support my channel. Everything I do raise for my channel goes back into the channel to help make videos just like this, to keep doing what I'm doing, to help and educate, inform you, and motivate you to make decisions on products just like this. So hope you're enjoying the video. If you do, I appreciate it as always. Take it easy, and thanks for watching. Put it off, put it back on again. We want fast blinking. Let me show you. Keep your finger down, hold it down, hold it down. Blinking fast, and watch. Now they're both paired. You can see both lights are solid. That's how you do it. Simple enough, easy. Just have to know, and you learned that from me. So hopefully I will teach you that. And we'll do one more quick test. We'll do the noise cancellation test. We're going to do some sound. I'm going to turn it on, then we can hear the before and after. That way we can really see the difference. Okay, guys, so I have it plugged in. I don't have it on yet just to get ready for it. So just a couple more specifications. Again, for iPhone 15, 16, Android, all kinds of different, anything that pretty much takes a connection, this is going to work with. Up to 328-foot range, 48 hertz, 24-bit. Also has the ability to not spike at all, so it's got a way to measure the audio, so that won't spike. Which is actually I found that in the high-end microphones, that's really where that's in. So that's really nice to help with the sound. That way you don't have any spiking, you don't have any peaks. So it's really designed to really work really well. It's all in one use, simple, easy to use, and I like that quite a bit. So it's going to run long lasting. You're going to keep rolling up to 6 hours on a single charge. That's what it says online, and that's what the battery life is, and that's how that works. So really easy to use, super powerful, and with the AI learning in the background, as far as with the noise cancellation, that's really powerful. I like that quite a bit. So let's just let's go ahead and live right here. I'm going to actually turn this on, and then we're going to go right ahead into this microphone here. So I'm going to power it up like this here. And you got to see it's blinking. I already have it hooked up to my computer. Now, both of these are recording. So I'm going to lower down my SMB here. Hold on. Got to go down, all the way down. So that is off. Now I'm talking to you right now on this microphone right now. So how does it sound to you? I'm looking at the levels. It's not peaking at all, not going crazy. The audio sounds really good. Again, so you can use it this way to use the sound cancellation. Hold it down. Now it's in the green here. It was in the red, now it's green. So this is the noise cancellation. This is help with the background noise. It's going to make it more refined to just who's talking, gets rid of all that background like car noise or people talking in the background noise, things like that. That's what this is designed for. So right now I'm holding the microphone in my hand, and let's say I'm doing my interview. So let's put on my windscreen. Thanks for checking in, and thanks for watching your review channel regarding this awesome review on this nice BOYA microphone. Very nice. So let's pop this off here. So let's say you're done doing your interview with your microphone, and now you want to go wireless. So just take this off here, pop this off right here, and now I'm talking to you right here on the little wireless microphone right here. You can hear that. I'm tapping that. You can see the meter. I can see the meter moving, and I can put this right on my shirt, right on my jacket. Let me just put it in the back part of my shirt. So right now it's in a corner of my shirt. I'm talking, and I think it's from one of the meter. I'm gonna hit listen to the playback in a minute. And so far, I see the meter working. It looks like it's picking it up very well. And let's open up the second channel here. Here's your second microphone, and we'll close that. And this is also. You can hear that. That is also making noise. So let's move these off here. So I have two here. Okay. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here is two of them right here. I'm talking into them both at the same time. So this way you can have your talent have one, you can have one, and you can do your interviews on location, social media, whatever you're doing, you can use this for that. Again, with the same thing with the noise cancellation, you hold it down. Let me just double check that. There you go. Just tap it. Okay, so you tap it and you don't hold it down. You tap it once and you can see they're both on noise cancellation, just like that. So these are now set up for noise cancellation. Same exact way as the other microphone. These are the two small ones and you have these in noise cancellation. Shut it off, just tap it once and you're back off. So now we have regular. So that's just that easy to do. Back and forth, super easy. Let's pop them back into the case. Okay guys, I am downstairs and I have an air cleaner running right now and I have the microphone in my hand plugged into my phone. And here it is. I'm pretty sure you can hear that. That's pretty loud. I'm going to put the noise cancellation on. Let's just see if it makes a difference. Tap it. Should go green. There it is. So now the noise cancellation is on. You don't hear it. That's crazy. I'm going to shut it off now. Let's see. Noise cancellation is off. And I can see the meters running. Oh my God. So it definitely does work. This is awesome. So the noise cancellation works really, really well. Again, let's test it one more time. Noise cancellation is now turned on. So now you can just hear me, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for tuning in. This is just another test of this awesome microphone. Fantastic. Okay, guys, so that's the demonstration. What do you think? Leave some comments down below if you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely going to recommend this 1000%. There will be a link over here, a little QR code right here. I do get a small commission just to be fair and transparent. It costs you nothing, so I just want to be fair and transparent about that. That does help support my channel, and I do really appreciate that. Also, down below, there will be a link down below in the field here below in the fold. That's what they call it. There'll be a link there as well. Takes you right to the product, and if you like it, I think you're gonna like it. I really do, because I like the simplicity of the all-in-one handle. I like that. It's just really, really nice. You got the handle, you got the microphones, you have a lot of versatility. You got the cables, all the connectors. You can use it with your GoPro. You can use it with your DSLR. There's a lot of flexibility here and a lot of uses in a small, compact package, and I like that. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. If you enjoyed this content, follow me for more. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.